I think Doctor Who's fine. Doctor Who's, Doctor Who, well, how can I say this?
He's dead.
I think Doctor Who's fine.
He snuffed it! Bereft of life, he rests in peace!
Doctor Who's, Doctor Who, well, how can I say this?
Hello, Polly! Wakey, wakey!
I think Doctor Who's fine.
Testing, testing. This is your 9 o'clock alarm call. Now that's what I call a dead parrot.
Doctor Who's, Doctor Who, well, how can I say this?
He's probably pining for the fields.
Pining for the fields?
I think Doctor Who's fine.
Pining for the fields? What kind of talking man? This is nothing to laugh at.
I think there are things happening in the culture wars, particularly with trans rights these days, that are a million times more important than what's happening.
Force dump.